Welcome to the channel, guys. We got a special NFT project to talk about today called Apes Generation. This is a unique NFT in the NFT space. In today's video, I'm going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you the roadmap, the team, who are the people behind it, and what this NFT is all about. This is one of the leading NFTs and got a lot of potential to make it really big. So if you're interested in this NFT, do watch the whole video and do let me know what you think. So without further ado, let's start. The website is apesgeneration-x.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my video on the educational network. You can head over there and check it out. So what is this Ape Generation all about? What is this NFT all about? And why is this NFT so sought out after? And why is everyone talking about it? The whole story starts with this. The Andromeda is a young isolated planet on the edge of the Orion galaxy. It used to be inhabited by the apes, living in a peaceful existence among themselves. Life flowed smoothly for centuries, but all that was about to change. The comet Zendor from the nearby galaxy, after a sequence of changes in the magnitude field of the universe, aligned with the orbit of the planet. The collision was clearly to be seen. Its impact with the comet left the planet in ruins and brought the apes to near extinction. That, though, was not the end. Out of the wreckage of the comet, an unknown and deadly virus emerged and came after the apes. The infected were mutated into bloodthirsty zombies, and the peaceful society was shattered entirely. War over the dominions of the planet began. The genes of the selected apes were scientifically modified to produce a hybrid with developed abilities that were able to defend the planet and their society from their crisis. This was the first creation of the protectors. Their mission is to successfully protect life and prevent the creation of a mutant zombie planet. So hurry up, traveler. Andromeda needs your help, and they are coming soon, and you can join them. So obviously this is the story behind it. It's about a planet, it's about a comet, it's about apes, it's about what happens when that is done. And obviously you can clearly see it in the trailer, and I will put the link of the trailer in the description below as well, so you can go over there and check it out. So what is Apes Generations? Minting and ownership. Each eligible traveler can claim up to 10 DNA fractions per transactions on the minting day. Shortly after the public launch, the reveal will take place and the glorious planet of Andromeda will come to life. Each DNA fraction can reveal either one of the 8,000 civilian apes or the 888 of the genetically modified protector apes. After the public sale, in total 8 ultra rare virus gold card of deadly viruses will be airdropped to lucky holders by the raffle system. The chances of winning will be proportionate to the number of NFT possessions. So obviously the more you have, the higher chance you have to win, and owners of the deadly virus will have to choose a civilian ape from the society and infect it to produce the villain ultra rare hand-drawn mutant ape or sell the card. So you can clearly see the strategy that has been developed by this project. The team has given a clear indication of where they want to take this. I feel this has got a potential to move into the animated section, into the comment section, into the merchandise section. It even has the ability to become as big as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And the reason why is the fact that the story is so strong. In each camp realm, some are rarer than others, and hundreds of different assets are waiting to be unlocked. And after the creation of the mutant apes, the holders are divided into two camps: the civilian apes, the protectors, and the mutant apes, and the fight for the world dominions begins. Claim of the ultra rare hand-drawn mutant ape. The traveler has to possess a gold virus card and a civilian ape, both things, and the infection of the ape and the fusion into a mutant ape will take place in the website shortly after the reveal. And claim of the genetically modified protector. Legendary assets and ability cards will be included in the giveaways to either lucky or more active community. Members will have the opportunity to customize their civilian apes or protectors to a character with legendary rare traits and future utilities. Customized characters will be given the legendary badge in the collection. So you can meet the Andromeda. The Andromeda, can you clearly see there's different elements to it. There's different Camp Zeldas to it, and obviously how it happens and what is going to go about from it. And all of these are available. These are the civilian apes, these are the protected apes, this is the virus, and obviously these are the deadly mutant apes. And obviously the game development that it has is one of a kind, where the battle for dominion for the planet of Andromeda will last thousands of years. Each traveler will belong to one of the following two camps, either the camp of Andromeda or a camp of Zendor. The Zendors are the mutant apes. Each mutant ape is a unique piece of art with special abilities abilities and characteristics. The mission of the mutant ape is to infect the whole planet and spread their zombie DNA, while the camp Andromeda is the civilian app, the civilian apes, the genetically modified protectors categorized in 4 realms: the Galaxalians, the counselors, the scientists, the warriors, and the healers. The mission of the civilian apes and the protector apes is to defend Andromeda from the threat, and each character is special, has its own unique role, ability, and utility. For each successful infection or successful defend in the game, the holders will earn tokens, which in future will be exchanged with Ethereum provided from a fair share of royalties. Holders will have a chance to evolve, breed, build societies, buy plots of extraterrestrial lands, participate in real-time battles for dominions, and get rewarded in a virtual reality universe. More detailed surprises, gifts, and rewards is on their Twitter and Discord channels. And if you've not joined their Discord, guys, join their Discord, because the Discord is the place that you get reliable information about any NFT. You got your hospitals, you got your marketplace, your parliaments, your laboratories, your fight arenas, all of it's available. And the roadmap. Oh God, the roadmap is one of the best I've seen till now. They have laid out exactly what they want to do, how they want to do it, and what they're going to do about it. From the community, from the metaverse, from the cold virus card airdrop, from the upgrade your ape, from the fun pool begins, from the comics, from the game beta testing, from the fun pool, from the finding animal abuse, from airdrops, from the game launch. Every single element, from the social responsibility, from passive income, from free NFT drops, from claim your land, every single thing is thought out. And having a roadmap that's so elaborated, it actually gives you a chance to scale your project to new heights. If you look at the big names in the industry, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Meta Avatars, Beans, or Invisible Friends, these are huge names. And if you look at the way they've developed their roadmap, you would be able to clearly see how they're going about doing this. And I think Apes generation has actually done a wonderful job when it comes to the roadmap, and the credit goes all to the team, the individuals behind creating this absolutely brilliant NFT, from the Dr. X, Anton, Andrew, the artist team. All of these guys have a ton of experience in the NFT space. They have a understanding of how strategy needs to be developed, how strategy needs to be executed and implemented, and combining all those elements, they have successfully developed an NFT worth its name. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icons and share these videos with your friends and with your family so more people can actually benefit from it. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available on the About Us section of my channel, Education Network, or you can drop me a comment in the comment section below on YouTube or Facebook. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.